In this video, I show you how to hide or unhide the apps using a Apex launcher. And if you don't find the Apex launcher on the Play Store, you can go and Google it and you can download from the third party website. So what you have to do, press and hold and anywhere on the desktop and it will bring you this menu. Then click on hidden apps. Right now it's showing Play Store is hidden. So you click on unhide and now there is no hidden apps. So Play Store, now you can see. So when you click on the Play Store, I put the password so nobody can just access. That's the unlock password. When you go on unlock, always go log in with your Gmail user ID and password and it will let you log in, and then you click on your icon and then go to the manage websites or manage apps, and then you go and see if you have any downloads update available. You download those updates and let them download. You click on download update and it will download for you. Also, if you want to change the the Solid Explorer, not gonna download because it is a modded app, or maybe it's not working for whatever is coming through. You just download those apps and then you go to, you want to have your keyboard. So on the Play Store, there's the, you go and look for the keyboard. Keyboard, you can use Google Keyboard, Gboard if you want to, or you can use any other keyboard if you don't want to use Google stuff. Then you can download Hebrew font keyboard. You click on it, click on install. You open it and then enable keyboard, click OK, and now you want to use OK, switch the keyboard, and you want to go to the Hebrew keyboard, customize your keyboard if you want to. All these Hebrew keyboards, they have ads running like crazy. So you want to go add away and then click this download arrow and you can download the ad blocking once you do that. So all these keyboards running will not bombard you with so many ads running. So Hebrew keyboard, themes, style, or what other theme you want to choose. So if I go, trying to open the keyboard, see if it's coming up. Open the message. So now the keyboard is in the Hebrew. Also, you want to change the whole system keyboard layout. Then you want to go to the settings, look for, okay, let me go and change enable disable press sound. Okay, let me go to the settings, and then okay, I'm just gonna go back to the English keyboard, and then I type language, and then it comes to the language and input. You click on it, and then I click on a language, add a language, and then you have to download the Hebrew, and then you have to press and hold and move it second, from second to first. It will change the whole thing for you. And if you are having issues with because right now there is no wallpaper or gallery on your cell phone, that's why you are not able to open those. So what you gotta do, go to the Play Store, see if I have a gallery. Contact, yeah, there is no gallery, that's why it's not working. We have to go to the Play Store and download a gallery. Gallery, and we want to download any non-Google gallery. So you can see it's saying Google LLC. We don't want it. We want to have the Google photo. We want this one, install, and we will have a Google gallery working. Not a Google gallery, just a regular un-Google gallery working. That's how we want to do that. Open, allow. Now we should have gallery working. And sometime Google Play Store will push these documents, new slide and sheet apps. If you have use for them, you can use it. If you don't want to use, you just uninstall those. Slide, news, documents, you don't want those, you can although. And you have gallery and Hebrew, keyboard, and everything should work from this point. And then you go to the your Play Store, go to the Manage and Apps, and this one would not update. That's, don't worry about it, but you got everything else updated. What you're gonna do now, press and hold, and then go to the hidden apps and say add hidden apps, and then you go here Play Store, hide the app. So go back. Now you don't see the Play Store, and I don't want to have the Google News. I just uninstall it, uninstall it again, and it will go away once I restart. And then I can go to the settings, accounts, and remove my account, and that should work everything. And then I go back again, settings, go to the language, and inputs. Languages, Hebrew is my number 2. I move it. Before I do that, let me change the keyboard, enable keyboard one more time, switch the keyboard. Okay, switch the keyboard, Customize. It's trying to download the ad, which we already blocked through the ad away, so it should not work. Space exit. So if I go to, I should have keyboard working in Hebrew. So if I go to my settings, language, input language, and I make the Hebrew my first language. So now the whole thing should change for whatever it could change to. And now it's kind of Chinese for me because I don't know the Hebrews, but that's how it works, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.